I made a strange pet, and its powers are running fast, disappearing, and changing color, blending in with other colors. And it can also fly. Its special power is rainbow power, and its rainbow power makes everything flash, and when it doesn't have rain or sun, it makes the sky into a rainbow. So all the creatures can look at it and never eat it. It can fly long distance. It's a flying squirrel. I made a shark. It can go in lava and without being dead, and it can breathe in anywhere. Excellent. Books. Lots of ideas. MindChamps is good for me. Yes, because there's a lot of writing.
You like writing?
Not really, but now I do. I like writing because of MindChamps. Yes, because I can write lots of words. Yes, because I can learn everything and write funny stories. Tomato. Monkey? I think the animal is a chimp. Dolphin. Watermelon to me. MindChamps food to me is chips. Needles. Running power. I would want to have eye lasers, and I also would want to fly. And night vision. For changing colors and being strong. Climb trees. For writing power. Good. Because it's fun. I became very active, and I didn't become really shy. The drama workshop's fun. Ethan was my friend. Ethan, he makes me laugh. He makes me smile all day, and we always play. Spaghetti? Because there are writing lines on the writing page, so it looks like spaghetti. Shark? Because sometimes it has a lot of sharks. Writing is like an elephant to me. Chameleon? Because it can change color and it's cool, and you can grip, and no, I don't care if I see him. Even when do you know those plants that suck out cold-blooded? Those things, they don't eat chameleons. Possum? Because possums are really cute. They're very fluffy. Potato, because it's a color of the skin, color of the tip of the pencil. Yes, because drama is fun. Yes, because it's fun. Yes, because I love the worksheets. Yes, because there's a lot of writing.
You like writing?
Not really, but now I do. I like writing because of MindChamps. Yes, it was very fun writing. Awesome, because it's fun. I like MindChamps because it's fun. You can learn new words that you don't know. You can learn to pronounce pronounce big words. Yes, because I learned lots of things. Yes, because we get to read. I love MindChamps. 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 I like MindChamps. I love MindChamps.